Hello there. In this video, I'll walk you through how to edit your GoDaddy website for beginners with this comprehensive 2025 guide. If you're just starting with managing a website on GoDaddy, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through each step. The process is straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll be familiar with all the basics. First, open your web browser and go to the GoDaddy homepage by typing godaddy.com into your address bar. This is your starting hub for all things GoDaddy, whether you're working with domains, hosting, or online marketing tools. Once on the homepage, look for the sign-in button, which should be easy to locate as it may be highlighted. Click on it and enter your login details. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one here. Go ahead and sign in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on the GoDaddy dashboard, which is your control panel where all your GoDaddy products and services are listed. Next, find the section labeled Websites and click on it. This will take you to a page where all your website details are stored. From here, locate and click on the option that says Your Website. You might need to click this a couple of times as you navigate through the menus. Once you're in the website management area, look for the button labeled Edit Website and click on it. This will open the GoDaddy Website Editor, the tool you'll use to make changes to your site. Inside the website editor, you'll notice a variety of tools and options to modify your site. You can edit text, change images, or even adjust your site's layout. If you have access to new features like a trial store or any similar add-ons, don't hesitate to explore them. They can offer more dynamic changes to your website's appearance and functionality. After making all your desired changes, it's crucial to save and publish these updates to your live site. Look for the Publish button in the editor. Clicking this will push all your edits from the development space to be live on the web. Once you've published, a confirmation message should appear indicating that your site is published. And there you have it. With these steps, you've learned how to navigate through GoDaddy's interface and edit your website. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to explore and experiment within the editor to enhance your website's design and functionality.